Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what is in the bag. Kind of thick. Oh, we have Joy Sunday. Surprise! Oh, sorry. Alright, we have two stamped cross-stitch kits, and these come from DPClubs. If they have any specials or if I have a discount code, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So we will start with the big one this time. Let's see if I can get the other one out of my way. I got so much stuff on my desk, it's unreal. Let me get this out of the bag. All right, I am back. Is that not lovely? I am going to put a better picture right in here. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all those blues and pinks, and I'm sure there's purples in there. Just gorgeous. You know, I bought it for the blues, right? Oh, yeah. And this one was $12.79. I think it's a Yashu, because there's a Y there. It's 11 count. Surprise, surprise. It is 50 by 45. So let's take a look at the paper pattern. We have 42 colors. Ooh, we have a little smudging right there, but it's on the side. It does come with the instructions. Those aren't hindered in any way with this. It's just mainly this area right here. Goes ... over in here, but it doesn't do anything, you know, bad, you know, to the pattern. Now the paper pattern will match the canvas in this, and it is kind of small, but it's legible. It really is. So it says here 49 by 44, 190 by 168 high. Let's see what colors we have. We have 154, which is the mulberry. There's no 310 black. We have 550 purple. We have 823 and 939 and 996, which is that gorgeous turquoise color. It's about the color of this blue strip right here. And we have no 3371 and no 3865, so I'm not sure what they're going to use for a light color, maybe light pink, light purple, something like that. But very nicely printed. Otherwise there's no smudging or smearing over here, so that's a good thing. It's just kind of small, but it's legible, so yeah. Let's see what we got going here. Alright, it does come with a toolkit. We have a papillon, which is a butterfly. Hopefully you can... I don't have anything that's crud stuck to the... I don't know that you can or can't see it. I'll just hold it real still. So yeah, trust me, there's a butterfly there. Comes with 5 needles. Oh, nope, I lied. There are 6 needles. Poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. So very nice. That thing's falling off too. Really? What is the problem, guys? Holy cow. Time to revamp the the desk. Okay, we're going to match numbers now. So we have 7558, 7558, and 7558 there. So that all matches. And let me get this out of its bag. All right, I am back. Can you ever? Look at, there's your turquoise. There's kind of a greenish blue, kind of dark blue. That might be 823, I'm not sure. There's that pewter color, 3799, maybe. 3 I'm not sure which one it is. But very nice. Let me show you the other side if you think that was good. Look at all the blues and green over here. We even have olive green, pale purple. I'm not seeing anything real light. Maybe that one. That's kind of a light to medium green. I mean gray. Jeez. We have some pale pink, but not real pale. There's kind of a light tan. So maybe there's just there's some light blues in there. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Yep. Beautiful, gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm going to put that back in its bag just because, it's on thread drops and somehow I just don't trust anything. We're just going to, that way it's secure. Oh man, I am so glad that I changed this. Yeah, because it just creeps up all the time. I'm going to get that double-faced tape yet. It's buried here somewhere, I'm sure. Let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. Move my pen out of the way. All right, nice canvas. I'm going to fold it back again. Beautiful symbols, nice, clear, easy to see and tell what you have to stitch. That's what I love. This company does such a good job. Such a good job. We're going to measure. It is 40, a little tad bit, 49.5 centimeters or a little over, or 19.5 inches by almost 17 and a half inches or 44 centimeters. This way it is almost 15 and a quarter inches or 38.5 centimeters. So not too huge, not too small. Hang on, I'm trying to get this all done up. If I set it down and it's not done, chopping. Yeah. Now, it does have some bigger areas and smaller areas, but it's all evenly distributed on the canvas so that you don't have a big whole area up here that's nothing but one color. I like that. There's lots going on, kind of rivers of color over here, and there's going to be a little bit of confetti when you get down to the the details and that kind of thing. Let me fold it in half, it'll be easier. So you can see a little bit of confetti sprinkled here and there, but otherwise it's just evenly spaced. I don't know how else to explain it. Very nicely done. Good job, Ishu. All right, we got one more to look at. This one is a 37 by 37. It was $8.79. And I swear I wasn't even thinking about Christmas in July when I got it. Not at all. Yeah, it was just one of those little happy accidents, Does come in the beautiful Joy Sunday bag. And let's flip it. It's supposed to be a poinsettia. Or poinsettia. I can't hardly say that word. It is 14 count. It is a partial. Looks like we're going to have some half cross stitches. I see nominal back stitching. It's mostly like, what do you call it? The branches that we got going on. And well, it really doesn't scream Christmas. I suppose this is supposed to be like boughs of like fir tree, that kind of thing, but it really doesn't scream Christmas to me. It's called Euphorbia. Yeah, if you got it, there you go. And it looks like it got smashed in my mailbox, but yeah, I just liked the flowers. I just thought they were interesting and I wasn't even thinking. And it is called Christmas Flower on the website. I wrote that down and nothing clicked. Oh my goodness. Well, we got 40 colors. It does have the the key for the paper pattern. This is the key on this side for the canvas. And we have full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. So there you go. And you can see the branches. So it's nominal back stitching. Thank goodness. Holy cow. It is 165 by 165, 14 count. Has 6 pages. So it's all broke down if you want to do it that way. I am so not that person. I'm here. I'm over there. Nope. Yeah, I'm that person. So, yeah. Let's take a look at what colors we have. We have 309, which is red. We have 321, which is my Christmas red that I like. We have 606, which is another, it's kind of a reddish orange. I'm not seeing, there's no 310 black. We have 939 though, so that must be the dark color. Yeah, down in the back stitching. No, 823. We do have 3371, which is that dark brown. And we're using B5200 for the white. So you could dress this up. Those are the only colors that I know. You could dress this up as much as you wanted to, you know. And I wonder, let me look at this picture again. Are these the blooms on the Christmas cactus, perhaps? Anybody have one? My mother-in-law used to have one, but it's not like I was around it all the time, so I don't recognize that as that. But if you know, put it in the description box below. Not description. Put it in the comments. Oh my goodness, I'm having a day. But yeah, it looks very nice, very easy to do. And like the colors are in like rivers of color, so you can see all the shading. And those round circles, I'll try to hold it as still as possible, are your French knot. So it basically is in the centers of some of the flowers, here, there, and everywhere. So not a whole bunch, you know, it's not too horrible. Let's take a look at those beautiful colors now. It does have 2 thread cards. I'm just going to move this out of my way so you can actually see all the colors. We're going to get it apart. It does come with 2 needles, okay? And it's on one of the thread cards. Oh, one of the thread cards that shows you how many strands you have, DMC number, and then the number on the thread card. So we have peaches, pinks, kind of an orangish red, kind of a pale purple, kind of a pale bluish gray, tan, peach. There's your B5200. We have blues. We have 2 shades of green there. This is more of like a mint green or seafoam green. And you have olive green and like a yellow green and green. There's your 3371. That's that dark brown. And that's 3685. Boy, say that. It's not 3865, which is the white. Holy cow. They're just testing me today. There's all your reds. There's your 309. It's more but got a pink tone to it. There's your Christmas red, 321. And 606. See how it's more of an orangish red? Orange, yellow. There's 816. It's kind of a medium brick red, if you will. Very lovely, lovely colors, bright and vivid, just beautiful. We're getting there. Of course, I got all the threads messed up in what, 5 seconds? Holy cow, beautiful colors, just bright and bold. So let's see what we got going here. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is nice and soft and smooth, serged all the way around. It does go this way though. Sorry. It says how many squares per square right here. Does have the name and the 2 product numbers. But see, the colors are kind of in rivers. So that is awesome. So, you know, if you wanted to sparkle it up or something, you could run some of that, like Kreinik type thread, you know, here, there, or maybe some silver to go with it on some of the branches. Just kind of perk it up if you wanted it to look a little more sparkly and more Christmassy. I guess you can do whatever you want. You know, heck, you could make the French knots all beads. I do have a wide variety of beads. So 37 centimeters or 14.5 inches. So this one is not too big either. Almost 36.5. If I could just get it to hold still. 36.5 centimeters or a little over 14.25 inches. Actual picture size is almost 11.75 inches or 29.5 centimeters by 30 centimeters or 11.75. So it's a nice size. You don't have to do the background if you don't want to. You know, do it as you wish. And there's not too much background, so it's pretty full coverage. You could maybe, if you had a bunch of like gold thread, not bright shiny gold, but like gold DMC thread, you could do the whole background so that it would just pop out of there. You could do it all in black, because there's not too much surface, is what I'm saying, you know, that's overwhelming to do. So yeah, very, very, very nice. I do like that. Love it. So we are going to be starting this today for Christmas in July. Surprise! It's a new start. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe that one. You know, I think that's supposed to be a poinsettia. Okay, well, we'll go with it, right? Oh my goodness. Now, DPClubs does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all that. They always have a great selection and great prices. Like I said, if they have any specials or if I have a discount code, feel free to use my discount code at any time. I think I have a 15% off, actually. So, and that'll be on top of whatever else they have. So do check them out. Thank you, DPClubs, for sending me these 2 beautiful kits and that lovely Christmas surprise. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. God bless.